Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off watermark on this device on the photos. So first you should launch the camera application, and on the right upper corner tap to the burger menu. Right now just go to the settings, and here you'll see the first section, the watermark one. Just tap there, and just to enable the device watermark, tap here once on the switcher, and if you want to turn it off, tap here again on the switcher. And now I'll just turn it on, and we'll go back and we'll take a picture. And now we'll go to our photos, and as can you see here on the left down corner, we got the watermark of our device. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.